Our delicate oils are transported in this temperature-controlled vessel, ensuring peak stability before reaching the raw material vault.
Bring that one over here by the loading bay. Watch the edge.
Step inside our raw material intake bay. Utilizing advanced air purification and precision robotics,
Welcome to the raw material intake area, where precision meets purity. Our airlocked systems,
our automated guided vehicles precisely transport the raw materials, ensuring the perfect blend of science and art in every batch. Through a precisely controlled, sealed transfer, the vibrant liquid oils are moved into the tanks.
Here we see the raw beeswax pellets, ready to be combined with our vibrant pigments. As the heat is applied,
here we combine the finest shea butter and golden jojoba wax, precisely temperature controlled for the perfect blend.
QUIRES. Here we see the raw oil approaching the micron filter. As it passes through the fine mesh, as the temperature reaches a precise 85 degrees Celsius, the molten wax and pigments blend in a perfect, scientifically controlled pour.
Leveraging the power of high shear mixing, we achieve perfect color saturation, ensuring every batch is flawless.
By precisely controlling the weights of the oils, waxes, and pigments, we ensure every batch meets our hyper-realistic standards.
through precise vacuum mixing, the pigments are perfectly homogenized into the oil, creating a smooth texture free of any air bubbles.
Sensors continuously monitor the molten mixture, ensuring the perfect viscosity and temperature for an optimal flow rate.
Here we see the automated sampler at work. A small amount of the vibrant liquid is extracted and
We carefully inject precious argan oil and vitamin E, followed by our micronized SPF filters, ensuring perfect consistency.
To maintain the integrity of the pigments, our milling process must be carefully temperature controlled. It is both a science and an art.
The mix transferred to a vacuum chamber to remove every trace of air bubble, ensuring a flawless solid.
In this extreme close-up, we witness the perfect dispersion of crimson pigment into the molten golden wax.
as the carousel moves into the cooling tunnel, the precise temperature control ensures the pigments set perfectly, blending science and art. Witness the fusion of science and art. Through precise cooling, the liquid pigments solidify into a flawless, high-definition lipstick bullet. Once cooled, the robotic arms gently extract the perfectly formed lipstick bullets from their molds. This delicate process—
Lipsticks on a conveyor pass briefly through a gentle gas flame, melting the very surface to create a high-gloss professional finish and seal the color.
The glossy lipsticks then pass through a chilled air tunnel to set the finish. A crucial step, the torque check. Our machines test each mechanism for smooth operation, ensuring perfection every time. A crucial step, the torque check. Our machines test each mechanism for smooth operation, ensuring perfection every time.
Witness the fusion of science and art as the laser precisely engraves the unique identifiers onto the tube.
Our high-speed camera system performs a precise quality check, identifying even the slightest misalignment in the label seam.
Utilizing hyper-precise robotics, the flat sleeves are folded into elegant boxes. A final stream of molten
Inside our climate-controlled warehouse, robotic precision meets a spectrum of color, ensuring perfect preservation.
Here we see the precision robotics at work, locating and retrieving the specific velvet crimson batch for immediate dispatch.
Welcome to the future of logistics. Here, science meets art as our robotic colleagues precisely sort.
Maintaining the integrity of our products requires exact temperature control and the gentle touch of advanced robotics.
The final check of the shipping manifest is crucial. Using the data pad, the logistics manager verifies the contents.
Leveraging advanced robotics, the kettles are flushed with specialized solvents, followed by a superheated steam sterilization cycle.
Calibration is essential for precision temperature control. The sensor ensures the molten wax is always at the optimal heat before mixing with the vibrant. To achieve this level of gloss, each mold is meticulously polished by hand, transforming the metal surface into a perfect mirror.
A system that recovers and filters excess wax from the molding process for reuse.
Here in the lab, we blend cutting-edge science with artistry, crafting the next generation of longwear cosmetics with unparalleled precision.
Brainstorming the spring 2025 trend boards required a precise blend of molten pigments, resulting in our Harmony color forecast.
Small batch production of a limited edition holographic shade.
Watch closely as the AR guidance illuminates the optimal flow rate. This ensures a
To maintain sterility, handle the suit only by the edges. Step in, zip fully, then secure the respirator.
Here we ensure every batch meets our rigorous standards. The pigments must be flawless, and the texture, as you can see, perfectly smooth.
Placing samples in a thermal cycler to simulate years of shelf life in minutes.
From the factory, our shipments flow seamlessly, connecting Paris, New York, Tokyo, and Dubai in a precise global network.
Leveraging advanced logistics and robotic precision, we transform air freight into an art form.
Every detail matters in luxury retail. Observe the precise placement of this exquisite carton onto its velvet resting place.
A new dimension of color. See how the hyper-detailed texture melts onto your lips, delivering a sophisticated.
Modern cosmetic manufacturing is a fusion of art, chemistry, and precision engineering. Modern cosmetic manufacturing is a fusion of art, chemistry, and precision engineering.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art dairy. The journey of fresh milk is one of nature, precision, and care. Today,
Here, every drop is monitored. From temperature to taste, our mission is purity.
Let's start at the very beginning. And remember, subscribe for more behind-the-scenes journeys like this.